Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring an essential topic in Python programming, and that is data types. Understanding data types is crucial for effective programming, so let's dive right in. Data types define the kind of data we can work with in Python and the operations we can perform on that data. Python provides several built-in data types that make programming easier and more efficient. In this video, we will be talking about these four data types: integer data types, float data types, string data types, and lastly, list data types. Let's start with integers. Integers are whole numbers without any decimal or fractional parts. They can be positive, negative, or zero. In Python, we can perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on integers. Here's an example of performing arithmetic operations on integers. X equals 5. And Y equals, let's say 10. Addition result equals X plus Y. Subtraction result equals X minus Y. Multiplication result equals X asterisk Y. Division result equals X divided by Y. Now let's print all the results. 5 plus 10 is 15. 5 minus 10 is minus 5. 5 into 10 is 50. And 5 divided by 10 is 0.5. Moving on to floating point numbers, or floats. Floats represent numbers that have both an integer and a fractional part. They can handle decimal numbers and are useful for more precise calculations. Take a look at this example. X equals 5.8. Y equals 2.5. Now, we have to print this. Print X. Print Y. Nice. Next, let's talk about strings. Strings are sequences of characters enclosed in single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. They are used to represent textual data in Python and allow us to work with and manipulate text effectively. Here's an example. Greeting equals, inside the double or single quotes, hello. Name equals, let's say Python. Now we will print it. Print greeting. Print name. And this will print your name and greeting message to the terminal. Lastly, we have lists. Lists are versatile and widely used data types in Python. They are ordered collections of items enclosed in square brackets and separated by commas. We can store different data types within a list and perform operations like appending, accessing elements by index, and more, which we will covering in the second part of this video, but for now I will tell you how to create a list. Here's an example. Let's say we have a variable called fruits. Fruits equals, inside the square brackets. And here you go, you created a list. Now we have to assign items to the list. You can add multiple items to a list. Let's say apple, comma, banana, comma, cherry. You can also add the integer items or every kind of data type. Now simply, we will print the results. Print fruits. And here you go. It has printed all the items of the list. Understanding data types is essential for writing effective Python code. By knowing how to work with integers, floats, strings, and lists, you'll be equipped to handle a wide range of programming tasks. So that's for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful in expanding your knowledge of Python programming. I will post the second part of this video very soon. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support keeps me motivated to make more videos for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next part. Bye.